Cybersecurity researchers discovered a fairly insidious bug in Zoom that lets people quite literally take control of someone else's device. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for the latest tech news. Anyone can take over other devices by exploiting a flaw in the screen sharing function. The vulnerability has been found in the Zoom Workspace app for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and Linux. Attacks do not require the victim to do anything, and there is no visible warning. When someone launches the annotation tool while sharing the screen, the vulnerability lets mean people remotely execute malicious code for access. However, it remains to be seen if this vulnerability has ever been used in the wild. The researchers that found it used AI prompts to develop the screen sharing exploit in under 24 hours, illustrating how AI could assist in cyber attack. The cybersecurity company wrote in a blog post, this class of capability would previously have only been available to nation-state threat actors, but the model requiring elite teams, months of effort, and weapons-grade budget has collapsed. Today, a single researcher was able to develop a nation-state level exploit in less than a day. Zoom was notified about the bug and has deployed various fixes to mitigate the threat. It says users can help keep themselves secure by applying the latest updates. The vulnerability exists in all Zoom Workspace versions prior to the latest updates. Zoom isn't the only one exposed to these kind of threats, as something similar just happened to Apple computers, forcing the company to issue various Mac OS updates. The newest versions, including Tahoe 26.6.1, Sequoia 15.7.9, and Sonoma 14.8.9 are all safe. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.